my advice on starting a new YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk to you if you're interested in starting a YouTube channel, and I want to give you advice from someone who starts and grows YouTube channels for a living. The first thing I want you to understand is how society has shaped us for instant gratification. Everything in our lives is instant. We get feedback straight away. On our phones, when we post social media posts, we get likes and comments right away. If we don't get that feedback instantaneously, we feel like something is missing. That's why so many of us, when we're feeling lonely, we'll send 5 or 6 messages to our friends just saying, hey, how you doing? Because we want something back from other people. We want that instant feeling that we needed and wanted from our friends and family. I want you to understand that when you're starting a YouTube channel, your feedback is not going to be instantaneous. You need to understand that it is going to be a bit of delayed gratification. So you're going to have to put way more effort in your first 10th or even 50th video than you will in your 150th or 200th video. But once you get down the track, once you've created lots of videos that add value to people all over the world, you're going to start getting that valued feedback. You're going to start getting more reward for the effort that you're putting in. So make sure that you're invested in creating a YouTube channel and you enjoy creating videos. Only go out and create videos that you're actually passionate about, that help you wake up in the morning inspired and excited to start creating content that's going to add value to people's lives, that's going to help educate people or entertain people in a certain way. So in order to invest in this delayed gratification, I don't want you to focus on the end goal. Far too many YouTubers go out and say, my end goal is 10 million views or my end goal is 100,000 subscribers. I don't want you to get too caught up on the numbers. I want you to focus more on the process of creating videos. Build a system that you love. I really want you to invest in the process of creating videos and actually enjoy the process of delivering your videos and talking to people. I'm starting to enjoy the process so much more, talking to you through this lens and you being able to interact with me, to be able to comment and speak to me in our videos. So right now I want you to head down into that comment section and leave me a comment on what you plan to start your YouTube channel about and what kind of videos you're going to create and post on your YouTube channel. Once you've posted a comment, make sure you smash that like button to let me know that I must go down and respond to your comment. Once you're invested in the process and the system of creating and publishing videos on your YouTube channel, I want you to fully understand how long it takes to build an audience and to grow a following on YouTube. How many videos do you think it takes an average creator on YouTube to grow to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours where they can actually start monetizing their YouTube channel? On average, and this is according to vidIQ, which is an awesome keyword tool. If you want to check them out, have a look at the link in the description down below. According to vidIQ, it takes the average creator 152 videos in order to reach this milestone where you can apply to join the YouTube Partner Program. If you're looking to grow to that 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hours mark, then watch our video here where we give you the step-by-step system that you need that'll get you to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours way faster than the average YouTube creator. I want to share those secrets with you because we've refined it over 5 years of creating videos on YouTube, over 10 different YouTube channels that we're currently working with in order to build their following and get them onto that YouTube Partner Program so that they can start earning revenue from the ads that are shown on their videos. Now there's so many more different ways that you can monetize a YouTube channel, but this is a great stepping stone to work on in the beginning, to focus on that original milestone, to reach enough people to convince 1,000 people to subscribe to your channel so that they can let you know that they want to see your videos and watch every single one of your videos. It's so rewarding to be able to build an audience and to get that feedback that you're actually adding value, you're entertaining and educating people through your videos. And this will help you enjoy that process of creating videos because people will start asking you to create specific videos that are going to help them more. As your community starts engaging with you more, you're going to know exactly what kind of videos to create, you're going to enjoy the process more, and they're going to enjoy your videos in return. This is the kind of community that I want you to focus on building when you're starting out your new YouTube channel. Don't get too hyper focused on the numbers. Don't overanalyze the numbers. Focus on creating good quality videos that add value every single step of the way. Don't try and fill your videos with too much pink fluff. You know, that pink fluffy stuff? No one likes that pink fluffy stuff. Far too many creators out there tell you to just make longer videos because you need to get more watch time. Don't go out and just create longer videos. Create shorter videos that are more valuable. This is going to help you increase your average watch time on your videos. And if you can do this, if you can show YouTube that people are actually enjoying your videos and actually watching your videos, they're going to support you as a creator and start promoting your videos to new viewers, which is going to help you grow your audience. And that's exactly what you want. We want to help you start and grow your YouTube channel. So if you're new here, consider subscribing because we create new videos every single week, just like this one, that help you grow your YouTube channel. If you're ready to jump into it right now, you can watch our next video right here and get started building your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.